Welcome to Ultra Signature. Ultra Signature is a paperless solution which enables you to digitalize your business documents and get the documents immediately signed by your customers from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Most of the business deals are stalled due to the delay in getting a signature from concerned parties. Change the whole story with 4 simple steps and get your documents e-signed within few minutes. In this demo, I am going to give a brief tour on how to add electronic signatures. Form fields in any document, even an existing document in minutes. Share this document with your customers and have them sign it electronically. Let us assume that you have already signed up with Ultra Signature either for a free trial or a paid version. If you have not signed up yet, please do sign up as soon as possible. First, I am logging into Ultra Signature. In this scenario, let us say you have an existing document that you want to add electronic signatures to and share it with your customers. In this tutorial, I am going to use a rental lease agreement which I have it in my desktop already. To get started, click on the Create Document button. In the Save Document pop-up, I can provide a meaningful name to this document other than the default name. I am going to name this document as Rental Lease 1 and click Save. This will take you to the new Ultra document screen where everything happens, like you can upload your documents, add electronic signature fields, share documents, etc. Okay, let me upload my rental lease agreement first. To do that, see, I'm going to click on Your Computer button because my document is available in my computer and choose the rental lease agreement from my desktop. You can see that the document is in Word format. Please note that you can use any type of document in any format like PDF or even any images. Now Ultrasign will upload this document and converts this into a digital format. The document is ready now and you can see the preview of the document at the right side. If your documents are stored in a Google Drive or OneDrive or in a Dropbox, you can directly connect to those drives and set up a link to your documents. You can get more details on how to establish the direct connection. Watch the video tutorials available directly in the respective screens. Now we can move on to step 2. That is, we will add electronic signature fields and couple of fields to capture tenant's name and address. To do that, click on eSign tab. This is the Ultrasign Designer page. Here you can add e-signature fields, text fields to capture name, address and so on. On the top you can see Previous and Next button. You can move to Next and Previous pages in the document using these buttons. I will show you how to add new fields to capture name and signature. Let's see how to add name field first. Just drag and drop a text field at the desired location. You can resize the field by holding the mouse left button and drag to the desired length. Next, I am going to add signature field. Just drag and drop the signature field to the desired location on your document. In this use case, let us assume I am the landlord and I need to get this document signed by the tenant. So, I am going to add 2 signature fields, one for the tenant and one for me to sign. If I want to sign the document before I send it to the tenant, I can do that by clicking the default signature button in the Properties panel. I am also checking Read Only checkbox for my signature field, as I do not want anyone to alter it accidentally or intentionally. Next, click on the Save button to save the changes made. You will see a success message confirming the changes are saved. Now, I am ready to share this document with my tenant and request an electronic signature. To do that, click on the Share Document button and in the pop-up, click on the Share this document button. In this screen, I'm entering tenant's email address and name. UltraSign has advanced features like distribution methods and reminders. If you need the document to be signed by multiple people, you can choose to send this document to one person at a time or send it all at once. You can also configure to send one or more reminders as well. After entering my tenant's email ID, I have two choices. Either I can save for later or share now. In this scenario, I'm going to click Share Now. Now this document will be shared with my tenant. That is, the tenant will receive an email notification to electronically sign this document. And you're back to the main screen. You will also see a success message confirming this document is forwarded to the tenant. Also, note that in the document status section, you will see the current status of your document. Right now, it is YTS. That is, the tenant is yet to sign. Mobile phone integration. UltraSignature lets your customers sign documents from their PC or even using their cell phone. Tenant can e-sign and send the agreement using their cell phone even while they are on the move. They can just use their finger to sign on their cell phone touchscreen. As you can see here, the tenant receives an email from UltraSignature with a link to the shared document. He or she simply taps on this link to open up this document to e-sign. Tenant can review the document using previous and next buttons. Now the tenant clicks on the tenant signature field. An optional electronic signature consent pop-up appears. The tenant needs to just click on accept and sign the document using draw or text option. The tenant clicks on the finish button to provide name and comments, if any, and once it is done, click OK. At this point, this document is signed by me and the tenant, and both of us will get an email notifications. At any point, I can log into UltraSignature and check on the status of this document. Next, I will show you how to do this. Once you log into the UltraSignature, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the Rental Lease One, which is a link. This will take you back to the document screen. And notice you are in the Share Document tab. Also, note that in the document status section, you will see the current status of your document. Also, at the right side, you can preview the signed agreement, including the form fields filled in, if any, e-signed fields, etc. In the document status section, click on the comments link to see comments, if any, entered by the tenant. Also, there is an option for both parties to download and review the signed document. Okay, now you have seen how a document can be electronically signed in few easy steps. This whole process takes just few minutes. Similarly, you can electronically sign any documents such as sales contracts, onboarding documents, mortgage and lease agreements, financial and insurance documents, invoices, purchase orders, application forms, and a whole lot more. Above all, UltraSignature is the ultimate low-cost solution available in the market. I really appreciate your time to watch this video, and if you'd like to know more, please feel free to contact us at sales@prodontechnologies.net or visit our website at www.ultradocuments.com. Thank you and have a great day.